Alcohols can be dehydrated to form alkenes, aka make alkenes by eliminating water from alcohols in a dehydration reaction. Equation CnH2n plus CnH2n plus 1OH arrow CnH2n plus H2O. This reaction allows you to produce alkenes from renewable resources. Therefore, for example, you can produce polymers without needing oil. And the main industrial use for alkenes is the starting material for polymers. So we can dehydrate an alcohol to form an alkene. Basically, that's what we're doing. Alkene and water. So we dehydrate ethanol to form ethene, C2H5OH, arrow, and you can see H2SO4 is on the arrow because this is the catalyst. So we need to use this and react it to form an ethene plus water. Or you can use H2SO4 sulfuric acid or H3PO4 phosphoric acid can be used as a catalyst. And there's most times they're both combined together, so you use both catalysts. So ethanol is heated with concentrated sulfuric acid catalyst. The product is usually in a mixture with water, acid, and reactant, so therefore the alkene has to be separated out. And this is an example of an elimination reaction. And what happens in an elimination reaction is a small group of atoms break away from a larger molecule and is not replaced by anything else. So here is the elimination of water from ethanol. So there's ethanol with the lone pair of electrons and oxygen, and now pulling towards hydrogen, and now it's got the OH and the H, but now the oxygen is positive. The electrons are going to go towards positive charge, so therefore the arrow, and now the carbon wants to break this CO bond. So now the H2O is no longer part of the CH3CH2, and now the carbon is positive, and now there's spare electrons, so now it wants to form a double bond. Or you can just think of it as we're going to form an alkene, so we need to form a double bond. So arrow to the middle. So now you form a double bond plus H2O plus H plus. And this is an example of elimination reaction of water from ethanol, where a small group of atoms break away from a larger group molecule and is not replaced